welcome to Stretch the Sketch for September 2018. I have one photograph. It is going to be this photo of us in front of Cinderella Castle at the Magic Kingdom. This was taken in 2015, and I am going to be using my Kill a Kit for the month of September, which is a Disney kit, and as you can see, I have a lot in here. That's totally okay. I'm more interested in killing the photos that I have than killing the actual kit. So, for the Stretch the Sketch for this month, oops, let me pull that up. Here it is. It is going to be this sketch right here, and I am actually going to shrink it down to a 6x12. So, let's see what I can do. The very first thing I do is use my Brutus Monroe surface ink and ink this doily right on up. So the white doily kind of faded into the background on this layout, and I wanted to give it a little bit of pop. So I figured what better color than red, and this red is a great red. Now, that weird paper that I was inking over top was actually a sticker backing sheet that I had used all the stickers for, and I just went ahead and used that. Now this is Glitter Kiss, and I just got this. This is the first time I've ever used it on a layout, so if I'm doing this incorrectly, any of you Glitter Kiss experts can let me know in the comments below. But basically it has this little applicator in the top, and you slide this glitter stuff over stencils or right on your paper or whatever you want to do with it. It's like glitter paste but thinner, and it dries super quick. Now I went ahead and used some Distress Stain in Picket Fence just to lighten up that little piece right there. Now I should have done that first and then put the Glitter Kiss on top of it, because it did fade the stars a little bit. However, I'm okay with it. I cover up some of the stars anyway, and it's not like anybody's gonna go into this album and be like, oh, Sandy, I can't believe you put your Picket Fence Distress Stain over top of your Glitter Kiss. What is wrong with you? And honestly, if somebody says that to me, they don't need to be looking at my albums, because hello, they're my albums and I can do whatever I want. And you should do whatever you want in your albums. So there it is. I feel like that is really my motto, and that is me reaching for the other ATG gun because, you know, the sucker always runs out in the middle of a project. But people, seriously, this is why I have two. Because I always run out in the middle of a project and I don't want to stop, and I just grab the other one and keep going. I had gotten the red one, and then when the pink one came out, my husband was sweet enough to buy me a pink one as well. So here we are. I've got the photo down of us in front of Cinderella Castle. Love me some Disney, people. Like, I look at the photos and my heart starts to flutter, and I'm like, oh, look at this. Look at my family. It feels so long ago. It's only 3 years, but it just feels so long ago. I really wanted this glitter today, and I really had no idea what I was going to do with this title other than I knew that today was going to be in the title. And I was thinking to myself, I wasn't going to add any more layers back there because honestly, that background is pretty busy. And then I didn't feel like pulling off the cap and pulling off the seal on there to get out the glue, so I just went with some other liquid glue. And the only reason why I went with liquid glue is because I was too impatient to wait for that doily to completely dry, and I didn't pull out the heat gun to heat gun it, so I needed to wet glue it since it was still a little wet. But, you know, that's how things go. So I grabbed this sticker sheet, and this is in my Kill a Kit as well. And I'm just trying to find a great place for this sticker, but then I decide not to go with that sticker because it's just kind of a boring rectangle. I go with this other sticker instead. It has this great little edge to it, and it just gives it a little bit of extra texture, a little bit of extra interest instead of just slapping down a rectangle. Now, of course, sometimes I just want to slap down a rectangle, and if I wanted to do one in this moment, I would have. This is where I decided I needed a little bit of something else under the photo. It needed a little bit more of a matte. The sketch that we're stretching definitely had some more mattes. There was actually more than one photo, so I felt like I needed to add in just a little bit more paper. So I have these clear stickers, and they don't make it onto the page, and neither do these stickers, I don't think. I really wanted to add some to the page. Oh, some of them do. These little teeny rectangle stickers. I'm going to add this one right here. I tried to get in Happy Family, but it just didn't go. I decided to go with Photo Op, and I went ahead and staggered that under that Say Cheese sticker. Eventually I'll do it. Come on, stick it down. I'm going to try to move that, and I start to tear it. I'm like, nope. Push you right on back down, and there we go. Finally that little sticker's down. And then I grab one more little sticker, because why not have three? So I pop them down there, and that's a little bit of hearts. And I'm thinking in my head, like, I gotta figure out what the title is going to be. So I eventually get these little tile stickers out, and I spell out awesome. Now, these are a black sticker with white letters, and I did not have any more capital E's, so I grabbed an F and grabbed my Uniball Signo Broad pen and just went ahead and added the little bottom part to the E. There we go. Now it says awesome. You can't even tell the difference. Then I finally figure out that today awesome is not really great grammar, so I change it to so today was awesome. And then I feel like I need a little teeny bit more something up there in the corner, another teeny little layer, so I'm going to pop that down. Now guys, make sure that you hop around to everyone who is stretching the sketch with this series. We've got a bunch of talented YouTubers, and I will hope to see you soon.